Torrey Pines Golf Course is a 36-hole municipal public golf facility on the west coast of the United States, owned by the city of San Diego, California. It sits on the coastal cliffs overlooking the Pacific Ocean in the community of La Jolla, just south of Torrey Pines State Reserve. Opened 64 years ago in 1957, it was built on the site of Camp Callan, a U.S. Army installation during World War II. Torrey Pines has two 18-hole golf courses, north and south, both designed by William F. Bell. The south course was redesigned by Rhys Jones in 2001 and is now 7,802 yards in length from the back tees with par at 72. The north course was redesigned by Tom Weiskopf in 2016, switching the front 9 with the back 9 so that the famous ocean views are now enjoyed by golfers finishing their rounds. Since the late 1960s, Torrey Pines has hosted the Farmers Insurance Open on the PGA Tour. Held annually in January or February, the tournament uses both courses for the first 2 rounds and the south course for the final 2 rounds. It was held January 25-28 in 2018 and won by Australian Jason Day. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.